Hey everyone, today I just want to share a little tricks. If you get a large PSD uh, to cut for your front-end project or your client project, if you received a huge PSD that is not well organized, how you cut all images like this. Here is so many images, here 8 section with 4 images each row. So I just want to share a simple tricks uh, to cut those images. So for this, if you click the row here, the row is not organized. What I am telling is, for example, this image here is one background, one image, one title. That is not organized. Everything is separate with the layer. So I just want to make duplicate like this. So duplicate group, choose new file, then new file will open here, then go to trim, then press enter, then press Ctrl 0 and then expand the layer. So I think this layer, this is background. You can check here, this background, and this is the title for right side column, this is the image for right side column. So everything I think like that. So go for that this way, move all separate, and then make the group control shift, just press shift and click, then 3 layer will select, then right click and select convert to a smart object. So this is now one object. So then do same things, shift and just press enter, then convert to a smart object. So like that, every column will be separate smart object. So I am repeating now. This is same project. Now it is easy to save. So just double click and confirm OK, then Control Shift Alter D, Control Shift Alter save S. So it will show you the save window, then save and choose the location, and this is, you can see the file name is automatically located. So I am saving this like that. So close. So first one is complete. Now second one, Control Shift Alter save S, the file name is OK. Now press OK. Then third one, Control Shift Alter S, save, close, and then last one. So you can see how the simple tricks here. I think I should make little change here. So yeah, now it's okay. So I am doing a large project right now. This is the all the project. So with you on YouTube. So let's see, I just copy one row. So here is the row. Now I will put the images. It is very simple now for me. So first one is this. So I know the image name I saved. So refresh, you can see. So this is the tricks. So now it is very easy to put the images on the website. You can see Control R, understand? So everything is nice to put on the website. medical image. I think I did. Oh yes, that's why the image is not showing. So thanks for